Hey guys, and welcome to our channel and welcome to our first set of Florida vlogs.
We're currently just sat waiting. Flight's been delayed 2.5 hours, so Polly is nicely sat, happy, smiley. Amazing.
Go on then, Matt. Try it.
Lovely lime cheesecake. Oh, wait, we have that. Cheese. Oh, wait, we have that. And a chicken pasta bake.
Doesn't actually look like bad, you know. Looks okay.
Not sure where the tomato sauce is. Yum.
Sorry. You trying it? Try it.
You taste it.
No, you go first. Go on. Alright for flame food. Flame food.
Now we've got the microwave meal connoisseur.
Should I go for a bit of chicken as well?
Yeah, get a bit of chicken in there. Out of 10? Out of 10?
It's flight food. 7.5?
Yeah, standard.
Okay. Onto a
Pasta was 7, by the way.
7. Onto a lime
Smells like
cheesecake. None of us are a fan of lime, but Matt's going to take one for the team. No. No. I'll go next. I've already got his cheese and crackers.
Here we go. She's going in. Yeah, that was my reaction. That one is going straight back. Cheers to it. Just a quick update on where we are. We are 2 hours in. The cheese is being eaten. And we've completed one puzzle in 2 hours out of 10 attempted.
There was quite a few delays, so we're going to merge our travel day in here. Hey guys, welcome to Florida Day.
Wow.
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
I don't actually know.
and consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors.
First ride of the holidays!
Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond.
First ride of the holiday, what do you think? Haunted Mansion?
Really good. Scary.
Not long queue? Nice to sit down?
Yeah. So hot. It's
Very,
so
very
hot.
It's not very busy today, so hopefully we'll get a lot done.
You ready for Splash Mountain?
I am ready!
I'm so zoomed in. Let's go. 5-minute wait.
You're the line.
Matt's waterproofing his bag at the finest. No sponsor, but JD.
Yep, I definitely did not want to sit on this side.
A little bit wet, not too bad. Oh, mascara
So
smudged.
much longer than we thought.
Time for Big Thunder. What are we keen for?
It's Captain Jack Sparrow we're after, and a fortune in gold.
Just a quick update, just refueling. Been here 3 hours. Splash Mountain, Big Thunder,
Pirates of the Caribbean.
and Haunted Mansion.
And Haunted Mansion.
We've come to Casey's, got a foot long hot dog with the cheese. Polly, you excited?
Hungry.
Starving.
Taste test. What you expected? And more.
You excited? Excited for
Yeah.
the free?
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Check the status board to review your score.
Just got on the people mover after who won on buses.
Quite well on board. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Still very windy.
To be honest.
Yeah, very windy. Storms coming in. Had a good first day in Magical Kingdom though. You looking forward to Universal tonight?
Your express train keeps on rolling
If the
through
storm
the
holds
future.
off, it's getting quite bad. Okay, so you might hear this twice, but yeah, we're on the people mover at the minute. I don't know if that said it or not.
Maybe.
Now approaching Tomorrowland
Oh, going
Speedway
past test
and
track.
Tron Light Cycle Run.
No, it's not
I
test track.
love a good
What is
circuit,
it?
and
Speedway?
these are two of the best tracks
Speedway,
in town
that's from-
for a bit of light speedy competition.
Just gone through Space Mountain on the people mover, and that's where we're heading to next. Excited?
Yeah, hopefully.
Not a fan of roller coasters.
No.
Attention all visitors.
Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny people mover.
I survived. Very rickety, but I survived. Hi guys. So we're back at the hotel after our first day at Magical Kingdom, and after our awful travel day yesterday, I thought we would do a room tour, which Polly is kindly going to do for us all.
Clearly I'm not like that.
Okay. I'll start with the outdoor. So our room is on the 5th floor. We've got a lovely view of the reception, car park, Universal Boulevard. So there's the entrance, and then this is where you collect your bus to go to Universal, which is very handy. Every 10 minutes ish. We got one last night when we came. It was very quick. Here's one bed which Polly is lying on, and here's the bed that we slept in. There's a chair with a suitcase in, phone, TV, lots of drawers, a fridge with our cans which we commandeered off the plane, a nice trunk to put all your bits and bobs in. Polly has a bag already of goodies she's bought, which I'm sure she'll show us one day. The door, mirror with some hanging rails. Somewhere under these sheets is a wardrobe thing with ironing board iron, which I used this morning for the first time ever ironing. Safe. Bathroom area, sink, towels, hairdryer, and then shower, which was decent actually, very decent shower. Aircon, useful. Polly, anything you'd like to add to our room?
Yeah, the fact that you wouldn't have it to me. You said to me you've ironed before and you've it
I got carried away and performed the room tour. Adjoining door, if you want to join with anyone, which we don't. But yeah, we're going to head out to Islands of Adventure and go catch one of these lovely buses. We've just got to Universal, done Spider-Man twice, straight walk on. What was your thoughts?
It's a fave. Always will be.
So it's the next day and we're at the hotel. We did forget to end yesterday's video of day one, but we popped into Islands of Adventure and did Spider-Man, Kong and Jurassic Park, which were all straight walk-ons. and were all very good. And then we also did Hagrid's to end the night, which was mine and Polly's first time, and it was, wow, it was amazing, to be honest. So we're going to end the vlog here. If you could like, subscribe, leave some comments and feedback, that'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you.